Hello everyone, in this video I will compare VCarve and Fusion 360. VCarve is a focused specialty on CNC routing and carving. It's beginner-friendly and provides easy-to-use tools for 2D and 2.5D designs, including V-carving, pocketing, and nesting. VCarve is ideal for woodworkers, hobbyists, and small businesses that need precise toolpaths for CNC machines. It's simple, fast, and effective for decorative designs and standard CNC projects. Fusion 360 is a professional CAD or CAM software that combines 3D modeling, engineering, and CNC toolpath generation. It supports 2D, 3D, and 5-axis machining, making it suitable for complex parts and assemblies. Fusion 360 also includes simulations, parametric design, and manufacturing features, making it more versatile but slightly more complex to learn. In short, VCarve is better if you want a simple, easy-to-use tool specifically for CNC routing and carving, while Fusion 360 is better for advanced, professional CNC projects, engineering designs, and more complex machining operations. VCarve is quick and user-friendly. Fusion 360 is powerful and versatile. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.